In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Confluence. If you're managing a team or a project on Confluence, you'll need to know how to add users effectively so that everyone has the right access to the tools they need. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started by logging into your Confluence Cloud site. Make sure you have administrative privileges because only admins can add or invite new users. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the settings gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to managing all the administrative settings on your Confluence site. After clicking on the settings gear, you'll see a menu pop up with various options. Look for user management in the left panel and click on it. This will direct you to the Atlassian users page where you can oversee all user-related activities. Now at the Atlassian users page, you'll find the invite users button in the top right corner. Clicking this button allows you to start the process of adding new users to your Confluence site. This is where you'll input the email addresses of the people you want to bring on board. You can add one or multiple email addresses depending on your needs. Be sure to double check the email addresses for any typos to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once you have entered the email addresses, it's time to choose the products they should have access to. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select from various product options like Confluence and Jira. Make sure you select the right tools that each user will need for their role. This ensures they have access to all the necessary features without any hassle. You also have the option to assign them to specific groups if you want to control permissions immediately. This step is optional, but extremely useful for larger teams where different groups might have varying levels of access or permissions. By setting this up now, you can save time reorganizing permissions in the future. Finally, once you've checked and reviewed all the information, click Invite Users. This action will send out invitation emails providing the new users with step-by-step instructions to join your Confluence site. It's that simple. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add users to Confluence, ensuring your team has the right access to collaborate and project manage effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.